Crypto vlog, guys. In today's video, the golden line. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
And before we start, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. Because today I'm going to walk you through the golden line, a platform I've been testing personally. And I'm going to show you the dashboard, the trades, the returns, and exactly why this is unlike anything I've reviewed in years of covering the finance space. Let's get into it. Before I show you the golden line, let me put some numbers on the table, because I think most people don't actually realize how little their traditional investments are earning them. If you have $1 million sitting in a Fidelity account, getting their average return of, let's be generous, 8% a year, that's $80,000. That sounds decent, but $80,000 on $1 million account is actually barely keeping pace with inflation. You're not building wealth, you're standing still. Charles Schwab, same story. Vanguard, same. T. Rowe Price, 3 to 8%. These are passive index fund strategies. They put your money in a basket and let the market do whatever it's going to do. There's no active management. There's no strategy. There's no person actually watching your money and letting it stagnate. Alright, so let me pull up the Golden Line website. First thing you notice, this is not a sketchy, fly-by-night operation. Clean, professional, institutional quality. The Golden Line is a division of Strategic Group. They are MSB registered with FIN-CEN. That's Money Service Business, which is the federal regulatory classification for this type of investment operation. They're also FDIC partnered, which means client deposits are held in FDIC insured banking institutions, up to $5 million in coverage through their sweep network. That's actually more coverage than most traditional banks offer. They have full AML and KYC compliance, anti-money laundering, and know your customer, which are the same regulatory frameworks that major Wall Street institutions operate under. The minimum to open an account and literally just test this is $250. That's it. You can start with $250 and see exactly how the platform works before committing significant capital. But realistically, where this gets interesting is at the $100,000 level and above, because that's when you unlock their IRA account tier, which comes with a senior trading manager, tax advantage structure, and access to pre-IPO allocations. Okay, so I'm going to log into my personal The Golden Line account right now. You can see the account was initially funded with a $10,000 deposit, and the current portfolio value is showing $15,348. That means the account has generated a gain of over $5,300 from the original deposit. The first thing I want to show you is how clean and simple this dashboard is. Everything is organized in one place, making it easy to understand what is happening with your account. On the main page, you can see your total portfolio value, account information, trading account details, and live market prices. The layout is very clear, so you can quickly monitor the important information without having to search through different sections. If we go to the trading section, this is where you can monitor your account activity and review the trades managed through the platform. Each trade can be analyzed with important details such as the asset, entry point, position size, and overall performance. The strategy behind these trades is based on market analysis and different factors, including market trends, technical setups, economic events, and potential opportunities identified by the trading team. This is what I mean about the value of active management. Instead of simply following the market like a passive index fund, the account is actively monitored and managed based on current market conditions and available opportunities. You can also see the crypto market section here, including live prices and major assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, and other cryptocurrencies. Having access to different markets allows the strategy to follow opportunities across multiple asset classes, combining traditional markets with the digital asset space. Overall, the dashboard gives you a clear overview of your account, while the management team focuses on analyzing the markets and making informed decisions based on current opportunities. Let me quickly walk you through the key features of the platform. Deposits. You can fund the account via bank wire, ACH transfer, or cryptocurrency. The deposit process is straightforward, and funds typically reflect within 1 business day. Withdrawals. Completely flexible. You can request a withdrawal at any time through the platform. There's no lockup period. Trade history. This is huge. Full transparency on every trade your manager has executed, including the entry price, exit price, P&L and each position and the reasoning. You're not in the dark. You see everything. Cryptocurrency section, you have direct crypto exposure managed by your trading manager, not a separate crypto exchange, not a separate app, all integrated in the same dashboard. And then the IPO section. This is where I really want to spend a second. I want to talk about this specifically because I think this alone justifies using the golden line for anyone with serious capital to deploy. Right now, two of the biggest IPOs in the history of financial markets are coming. OpenAI, Sam Altman's company, the creator of ChatGPT, is targeting a valuation of $300 to $340 billion. That would make it the largest tech IPO ever recorded. The demand is already said to be 300 times oversubscribed. 300 times. SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket and Starlink company, is anticipated to go public with a valuation somewhere between $200 and $210 billion. This is a company that has fundamentally changed the economics of space. The upside for early investors is massive. And Unreal Industries, Palmer Lucky's AI-powered defense company, is in filling stages with a valuation worth of $18 billion and growing fast. The retail investor, the average person, cannot get allocation in these details through Fidelity. They cannot get it through Schwab. These allocations go to institutional investors and connected platforms. The Golden Line is one of the platforms with access to pre-IPO positioning for IRA level account holders. Think about what getting into Amazon in 1997 would have meant. Think about Google in 2004, Apple in 1980. This is the same category of opportunity. OpenAI and SpaceX are generational companies, and Golden Line is one of the few ways a retail investors can get positions before the public listing. So who is the Golden Line for? If you are someone who is tired of watching your money sit in Fidelity account earning 5% while inflation eats away at your purchasing power, this is for you. If you have capital $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 or more, and you want that capital actively managed by a professional who is personally incentivized to grow it, this is for you. If you're interested in IRA level tax advantages combined with active management and real returns, this is specifically for you. And if you want access to OpenAI IPO and SpaceX IPO and Unreal, and you want that exposure managed by someone who knows exactly what and how to position, this is for you. The minimum to start is just $250. You can literally test it with $250 and see how the platform works. But if you're serious about this and you're watching this channel, I think you are. The sweet spot is $100,000 and above, where you get the full IRA account experience with a senior level trading manager. Here is what a strategy. Ask them about the IPO access. Ask them about IRA accounts. These are knowledgeable people who can answer every specific question about your situation. The window on the OpenAI and SpaceX pre-IPO positions is limited. These opportunities don't wait. And the traders at the Golden Line, the people who are actively managing client accounts, are already positioning for what comes next. Link is in the description, go check it out. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read everything and I'll get back to you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you find this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel, like it, and put notification on. Join this amazing project called the Golden Line to check all of this information just for yourself. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!